Hello guys. I got another full load of clothes here. And on the floor I got another load to go. I'm tired. The clothes I got up here, it's full load of wash. And I will make a video, but it's gonna take too long if I show you everything I'm doing. But I got 3 loads of clothes I need to wash today. And the day is Saturday. And I got towels and bath cloths. Let me show y'all what I've done. See? I got these bath cloths up here. I got another curtain rod, a shower rod hung across there for my bath towels. And I got all my clothes up yonder. Towels and stuff, because it's having a full load day. I'm gonna wash that tub out, see that dirt? I wash them clothes off in there. I still gotta wash some more. And yeah. So stay tuned, share and subscribe. And I'll show y'all the rest of these clothes I gotta wash. I still got a whole load. I still gotta wash. Whole load. I ain't done yet. Ain't done yet. Ain't done yet with these dirty clothes. And I'm gonna wash these dirty clothes and show y'all how I get this wash done. I wash this tub out right here. So I got that extra rag. Wash this tub out right here. And I've been using this here. I've been using this here. Wash my clothes. As you see, I get down and get them clothes washed. A wire hanger, I got a wire hanger. But yeah, we're gonna get it done though. Like, share, subscribe. We're gonna get this laundry done today.